Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ideaplex. Ever feel like your design projects are stuck in the flat zone? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a website with the power to inject some serious 3D magic and instantly elevate your visuals? That's right, folks, it's PixCap.com. Buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into this treasure trove of awesome 3D design assets. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total beginner, PixCap offers something for everyone. And the best part, you don't need expensive software or a powerful machine to get started. So what exactly is PixCap? In short, it's a browser-based 3D design platform that lets you create and customize stunning 3D visuals. No heavy software or advanced skills required. It's a treasure trove of high-quality 3D icons, illustrations, and mockups. Think of it as Canva for 3D models, but with way more flexibility. It's got AI-powered tools that help you generate models and scenes from simple text descriptions, making it accessible even if you're new to 3D design. I think of it as your one-stop shop for spicing up your designs with that extra dose of visual oomph. PixCap caters to both seasoned designers and complete beginners. So, who's this tool really for? Well, let's say you're an indie game developer and you need to whip up some character animations quickly, or maybe you're a digital marketer looking to make your ads stand out with some eye-catching 3D elements. PixCap is built for creators of all kinds, from graphic designers to tech enthusiasts. And here's the kicker, you don't need a fancy setup. Whether you're on a laptop or a desktop, PixCap runs smoothly on any modern browser. Have you ever found yourself stuck because you didn't have the right software or the skills to create 3D content? Let me know in the comments. PixCap might just be the answer you've been looking for. Alright, let's unpack the goodies PixCap offers. First up, the sheer variety. We're talking a library boasting hundreds of high-quality, royalty-free 3D assets, from sleek icons like social media buttons to detailed device mockups for showcasing your apps. And the best part, most of these assets are fully customizable. Change colors, adjust textures, even add your own logo. The creative power is truly in your hands. Ease of use is another major selling point. The drag and drop interface makes it super intuitive to mix and match 3D elements, and you can move, resize, or rotate objects with ease. This is ideal for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours fine-tuning details but still wants professional-looking results. PixCap doesn't stop at design, it also handles rendering. With cloud-based rendering, you can export high-quality images and animations directly from the platform. This is a lifesaver if you don't have a powerful computer for rendering complex 3D scenes. With PixCap's advanced search filters, finding exactly what you need becomes a walk in the park. Whether you're searching by style, category, or even color, their filters ensure you won't waste time sifting through irrelevant assets. Now let's talk real-world use cases. Imagine you're a small business owner launching a new product. You need 3D mockups for your website or social media campaign. With PixCap, you can create those mockups without hiring a professional designer. Or if you're a digital marketer, you can quickly generate stunning visuals to enhance your campaigns. The possibilities are endless. Alright, PixCap is amazing, but what's the catch? Well, there's a slight learning curve if you're completely new to design tools. And while the free plan is great for getting started, if you're a power user, you'll need to upgrade to access the full range of features, especially for those higher quality exports. But what do you think? Does PixCap sound like a tool that would make your life easier? Drop a comment below if you've tried it or if you're considering giving it a spin. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how you'd use it in your projects. So whether you're new to 3D design or a seasoned pro looking for a more streamlined tool, PixCap is absolutely worth checking out. The flexibility it offers with its drag and drop interface, AI motion capture, and customizable templates makes it a game changer. Why not give it a try and see how it can fit into your creative workflow? Increase your conversion rates by creating engaging 3D mockup animations for your marketing material in minutes. But PixCap isn't just about the assets themselves. They've built a thriving community of designers and 3D enthusiasts. This means you can tap into a wealth of knowledge by browsing their forums or even connect with other creative minds for inspiration and collaboration. No 3D design skills, no complex hardware needed. Simply mix and match, then style with AI prompts. Mix and match your vision from 10,000 3D elements. Customize colors and orientation all in one space. Style your design with AI prompts, download variations. Use AI to generate unlimited outputs for graphic designs, UI icons, and ads. The more detailed the prompt, the more captivating the results. Browse a collection of 3D character model. Change colors, size, angles, textures, and materials. Use 3D Poser to change poses in one click, or manually rotate and move each body part individually. Download high-quality 3D character model in PNG, GLB. Use in graphic design and video animation. Apply pre-made poses on your 3D character or adjust the curvature of a spine, the tilt of a head, or even the gesture of a hand to capture the exact expression you envision. Explore diverse selection of high-quality 3D character models, ranging from lifelike figures to whimsical cartoons and epic fantasy to futuristic sci-fi designs. Every character is ready to go, complete with textures and rigs for instant use in your projects. Adding 3D characters into web and app design opens many creative opportunities for US, UI, and graphic designers. 3D characters can be easily adapted for various uses, from brand mascots and promotional videos to gamification elements within an app or website. Unique 3D characters can become iconic representations of a brand, setting it apart from competitors and making it more memorable. With PixCap's new features, you can quickly pose your 3D characters using preset poses. This makes the process even easier and faster, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your project. Choose from a variety of poses such as walking, jumping, dancing, and more to give your character personality and movement. Try it out now and see how effortless it is to pose your 3D characters. Alright, let's talk about pricing. As I mentioned before, PixCap offers a mix of free and premium assets. The free tier gives you access to a good selection of icons and illustrations, perfect for getting your feet wet. But if you are serious about taking your design game to the next level, their premium subscriptions are definitely worth considering. With their affordable pricing plans, you get unlimited access to their entire library, plus other perks like priority support and early access to new assets. Now I know what some of you might be thinking, is it really worth paying for 3D assets? Here's the thing, folks. The value PixCap offers goes far beyond just the graphics themselves. They're saving you time, energy, and most importantly, frustration. To wrap things up, PixCap is a powerful tool that opens up 3D design to a much wider audience. Its AI-driven approach, combined with ease of use, makes it a go-to for anyone looking to create high-quality 3D assets without breaking the bank or their brain. If you're curious about PixCap and want to try it for yourself, head over to pixcap.com and sign up for a free account. And don't forget to subscribe to Ideaplex for more deep dives into the tools that help creators like you work smarter, not harder. Until next time, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. This has been another review from Ideaplex, where creativity meets innovation. See you next time.